Our bag's all dry.
You need some water? If he's bugging you, just let me know.
Oh, no, he's not bugging me at all. As long as he doesn't hurt my fish.
No, he won't.
You're going to get smacked in the
I
face
think he's
with
more
that.
inquisitive but afraid.
Jack!
Hey, 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 hey.
Be nice. Be nice. Good boy. Nice one.
What's he doing, bud? I know.
Cutest cat fishing picture ever.
Oh, that's so funny.
What are you doing?
He'll bark in a minute. He'll be like, what is it, Jack? No. Hey, no biting.
Don't
Be
bite
nice.
it now. Come on.
You want to lick
Hey,
him?
hey, 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 hey,
Come here, buddy.
He's too funny.
No chasing it, though. You can't chase him.
He's pudding it. Wait. Don't be rude. He's,
You really can't see us
he's
in the
totally
water,
lost
can
it.
you?
Yeah.
No, but it's too far in the other direction.
Where is it, Jack? Where'd it go? Go find it. Go find it, Jack.